What's up, guys? It's your girl Di, and I'm back again with another video. And today is just gonna be a very short little video, straight to the point. But I just wanted to show you guys how I get my fine glitter to stay on my nail without top coating or anything like that. So what we're gonna be using today is a full cover tip, Madam Glam fine glitter that I bought from Amazon. This is the bling gel, the nail glue gel that I get from Amazon that I use. Oh, and it's from Modelones. I've been using it for so long and never even paid attention. It was from Modelones. And they do include this little brush every time you get it. And they include a little ring of like little bling or whatever. But let's get right into it. First step I'm gonna do is, so whatever color that you decide you want to do as far as fine glitter, you want to make sure you do a color that's similar to it in the background, because I think it make it pop more. Like, so since I'm gonna be doing this red color fine glitter, I'm gonna use this red gel polish because it's just gonna make it pop. Now if I didn't use it, that's totally fine, you don't have to, but it gives the nail a different look. So I'm gonna put this in the light and cure it for like 30 seconds to 60 seconds. And with this method, I do only use one coat of polish because since I'm just putting on the glitter, is no need to make sure you do 2 coats of polish, especially if you get a good coverage for the first coat. Now I would say if you didn't get a good coverage, yeah, go back in with that second coat, but how that red look that I just did, it'll be definitely fine. Now for the next step, I'm gonna be using this glue gel on it, and I like to do it right over something like this so that I don't waste it and I can just dump it right back in there. And that's one thing you gotta learn about nail products. You gotta learn to conserve your stuff. Okay, this is what it looks like when it came out the lamp after 60 seconds. Now I'll just take a little bit of this and I make sure it gets all over the nail. This is probably a little bit too much, but it's fine. I always clean off my edges. Now, the fun part. You're gonna put the glitter right on top. And you can go kind of slow just so you're not just pouring and just wasting glitter. Or if you just want to go ahead and dump really fast, just make sure it's under something to catch your glitter, because you don't want to waste all that glitter. Look at that, look at that. Ooh. I always tap it off. Look at how gorgeous that is. And sometimes if I feel like it didn't get a good coverage, I just kind of pat down a little bit and then add a little bit more. But it has a pretty great coverage considering the fact I put the red on the bottom. All right, go in and cure that. go ahead and dump your glitter right back into that. Boom. And you want to make sure you close up this glue gel, because if it does move if you knock it over. So just beware if you buy this brand, that keep it sitting face up, because it's sticky and it's messy, but it does a great job at keeping the stones or anything that you know trying to adhere onto the nail. And if you want to check out, I actually I posted a picture today on my Instagram of some nails that I did November 23rd, and she actually came today, which was the 19th of December, to get them filled in, and none of her stones were missing. And this is what I use, is just the glue gel from Model 1. So if you want to check out those results, head over to my Instagram page at Nail by Dye, and I spell it NAIL_DBYDI on Instagram, and you can see the results for that. No stones were missing, and it was actually hard to get them off. But this all I do for my glitter nail, and I just kind of run my finger over it before my clients leave or whatever, just to make sure it's probably not just coming off or whatever. But that is how I do my fine glitter nail. It no need to top coat. It won't come off. I mean, after a while, of course, it's gonna wear and tear like anything would, but it's pretty good. This won't just come off their nail doing this method. So if you know a different method to do it without using the glue, leave it down below. I'll be interested in checking that out, but this is the way that I do it. So if you made it to the end of this video, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.